Hello guys! Another day, another job. For this video, ituturo ko naman kayo sa isa sa pinakamagandang lugar dito sa Greece, ang Santorini. When arriving at the base of the cliff in Santorini, particularly at the old port of Fira, you have a couple of main ways to ascend to the top. By cable car, this is very popular and convenient option. You can still choose to ascend by a donkey path, either by walking or in some case by riding a donkey.
Oh my God! Wow!
Finally, we are here. Fira, the capital of Santorini, offers a captivating blend of stunning natural beauty, culture, attraction, and vibrant atmosphere.
What?
Yes, talagang napakaganda dito sa Santorini. Kahit ilang beses na ako pabalik-balik, talagang naa-amaze pa rin ako. Fira is perched on the edge of caldera, providing breathtaking panoramic views. The volcanic crater, the Aegean Sea, and the surrounding islands. Sunset view naman, while on Oia, famed for its sunset. Fira also offers beautiful sunset vistas, especially from the caldera walkway. Yun lang, hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!